Hey guys, what's up? It's Haley, and today I'm going to be doing a get ready with me. If I sound a little tired, that's because I am. It's earlier in the morning, but I have a wedding to go to today, and so I just thought I would hop on camera and get ready. So please don't forget to subscribe, and if you want to see the outcome of my makeup, my hair, outfit, all that, then just keep watching. Coffee is a necessity this morning. Need that. Okay, so I'm going to start just really quick by putting this lip plumper on my lips. That way, while I do like my face makeup, it can just kind of sit on there and do its job. And this one is by Soap and Glory. It's the Sexy Mother Pucker. Haha, very funny on the name. And for primer today, I'm going to be using the Body Shop Vitamin C Primer. This is a good one if you have like an event because it kind of smooths everything out and just like really helps the makeup stay on. So I'm just going to be putting that on everywhere. And I'm going to be switching things up today, and I'm going to be doing my eye makeup first. So I'm going to take just a little bit of my concealer. And then I'm just going to blend that in with my fingers. Because I'm actually going to wear eyeshadow today, guys. Are you proud of me? Okay, lids are primed. I'm going to zoom you guys in so you can see me do my eye makeup. So I'm really sorry, but the palette that I'm using today is not available anymore. It is the Carly Bible palette with the BH. And I'm using it because I'm wearing purple today, and I just wanted to have like some purple eyeshadow happening, and I don't really have another palette that has these shades, so that's why I'm using it. I'm sorry, but I will link something down below for you that has similar shades. So how's everyone doing? Like I said, we are going to a wedding today, which is going to be very interesting because obviously like there's a pandemic happening and this wedding was postponed already, so I think they just kind of decided to have it. It's Brad's cousin. So it's going to be interesting to see like the social distancing aspect like at a wedding and like just how they do everything. So I'm excited to see. I'm going to bring a mask, and yeah, it'll just be interesting. For my crease, I'm just laying down a mauve transition shade. It's not really showing up mauve on camera, but it is. I don't know why, I just got like inspired on Pinterest last night. I was like looking at, if you guys remember that show Euphoria, Maddie, the character there, she just has like such cool eye makeup, and like she does a lot of lavenders and like baby blues, and so I just got inspired and I wanted to do some purple, and my outfit's purple, which is like unheard of for me. I'm like the neutral queen. So I just wanted to play around a little bit, so I thought I would film it. And I'm just going to be picking up a little bit more dark purple of a shade. Then I'm just putting that like right over top. Oh, yes. I should do purple more often. I forget that it actually looks really good on blue eyes. I used to like exclusively wear purple eyeshadow like in middle school, and it honestly didn't even look bad. I didn't do like crazy purple, but like more like this kind of tone, and it always looked good. That's like what my mom always wore. So like of course you always like wear the makeup that your mom like wears and like buys for you. So that's just like what she wore, because she has green eyes, so it looks like really pretty on her eyes. So that's just what I used to wear because that's like what she had, and she's the one that taught me how to do my makeup, so she's always been like kind of good at makeup. So that's where I really learned mostly. And then of course like YouTube, but I haven't really been into it as much as I used to be. I used to be like all about like all the makeup tutorials and like lashes and like winged eyeliner, and like the past couple years I've really just gone to more like natural looking like everyday makeup, which I like, but sometimes it's fun to just play around even though I'm not doing like anything crazy today. This is for me a little more than I would normally do. So I'm taking a smaller, more dense brush, and I'm going to do an even darker purple on like my outer portion. See? I'm barely touching, just lightly blending into this like little V. And then when there's like not much left on the brush, I'm sweeping that over. Alright, now I'm going to take a shimmer, and I think I'm going to mix this dark purple one with this like purple iridescent highlighter. I think that would look really cute, so I'm going to start with the darker one and then put the lighter one like on the high points. Ooh, I'm going to get my brush wet. Sometimes I'll just rub it on like the condensation of my cup, and it works for me. See that? It worked, so that's what I'm doing. Look at that. And I guess I'm going for more of like a cut crease type of shape, but not like super defined. And then I'm not bringing that all the way over. I'm just gonna like blend it out with my finger. Pretty. Just gonna go over everything with a brush that I haven't used. And then I'm gonna go on the other side of this brush with that really light purple. And I'm not gonna get this one wet because I don't know like if I'm gonna love it. Ooh, I do. But I like it like this, just like a little bit of like a holographic touch. It like matches the lavender more. Yes, I love it, love it, love it. I'm gonna take a small brush and just define my crease a little bit more with a darker purple. And then blend that away. For liner, I'm just gonna use like a really dark brown shadow. Get my little brush wet in my cup. And then just get like a super dark brown. And then I'm just gonna do a tiny bit, just like pushing up against my lash line. Just because I like don't have any lashes to wear, so I don't want like a liquid liner to overpower my lashes, if that makes sense. So we're going to put a pause on the eyes for now. I'm going to zoom you guys back out and we're going to finish the face. So we've already primed, and I'm going to be using this L'Oreal Infallible Fresh Wear Foundation, and I'm the shade 470. I do have on a tan, and I have a little bit of like a natural tan going. So I'm just going to put like 3 pumps in the back of my hand just because I'm going for full coverage today. Got my beauty blender. Yeah, that looks like a good color. What I like to do is just get this all over my face first so it doesn't like run down my hand, and then I'll like actually blend. This is like actually a perfect match like to my body. Look at that. Looks so good. This foundation literally never disappoints me, ever. Alright, Morphe concealer. As always, I'm gonna kind of speed through this part because you guys have seen me use this foundation and concealer 100 times. So I'm not gonna like be going into great detail here. Alright, MAC Studio Fix powder and NC35. Just gonna set everything with this big old brush. I'm worried about the way I've been living. I'm worried that you'll look at me. And then for my under eye, make sure it's smoothed out, and then I'm just gonna take powder on the sponge. It just like gives it such a flawless finish. Ugh, like translucent powder could never do that. Okay. To me anyways. Alright, for bronzer I'm gonna be using Morphe Megastar. I'm worried that this will all change. I'm worried about keeping you safe. I'm worried that I'm not that lucky. I'm worried that they never gonna love me. Okay, so bronzer's done. That's like what takes the longest for me, I swear. So now I'm going to go ahead and finish off my eyes. That way I can do my brows, all that fun stuff. So I'm basically just going to be mimicking what I did in my crease on my lower lash line. So I'm just going to take this small little detail brush. I'm worried that I'll be a fucking joke. You'll notice I'm like dragging this out pretty far down. Because I am probably going to be wearing a mask today, I just wanted my eyes to be more dramatic. So I am not being shy with this. I'm just really blending it everywhere. And now I'm just going to be highlighting my brow bone and my inner corner. So I'm just going to take a mix of that really like fluorescent purple and this one over here. I think that would look really nice. Oh, yes. Okay, I love this. This is like pulling the whole look together. Yes, I love it. Okay, for mascara, I'm just going to be using L'Oreal Telescopic and L'Oreal Lash Paradise, same as always. So I'm just going to go ahead and do this really quickly. Okay, mascara is all done. Now I'm going to be just going through my brows with some clear brow gel by Anastasia. I'm worried that I don't have control. Okay, we're in the home stretch, guys. I'm almost done with my makeup, that is. So for blush, I'm going to be using MAC Cosmetics Melba. It's just like a nice pinky color. And I'm just going to go hard with this blush because It's just what I'm feeling. You guys will have to let me know in the comments if you've noticed any quality difference in my videos, because I got a comment that said you guys would appreciate if I filmed more like in HD, and I didn't really know like what that meant. I thought like my phone was filming in HD, but it wasn't. And so I'm sorry if the quality has been like kind of crappy, but I switched back over to my camera, so you guys should be getting pretty good quality. Let me know if you're not. Let me know if like you see a difference. But I'm trying for you guys, okay? I'm out here trying. You guys may think I look like a clown, but blush fades on me so quickly, so that's why I have to put a lot. Alright, I'm going to highlight my nose. I don't think I want to highlight my cheeks, maybe a little bit, but with my nose I'm going to use that bright purple that I used on my eyes. I just think that looks so cute. I'll do a little. Yeah. Glowing. Alright, for lips, they're nice and kind of plump and a little bit more hydrated now. And I'm just going to be using my little tiny nub of a NYX lip pencil in the shade Natural to overline my lips. You guys know the drill. Nice and plump. And then I'm stuck between two lips here. I have the KKW Nude 3. Which I don't know if that necessarily matches. I think it's too warm for the eyes. I mean, I'm going to be wearing a mask, but still, in case I like want to take a photo or something. I'm thinking that Hemp by Bare Minerals is going to be a better choice, so I'm going to do this. It's just a little more cool toned. And then I'm going to put a gloss over the top. I'm just going to do this plumping gloss. Alright guys, that is it for the makeup look. I really like how it turned out. It's colorful and put together, but it's not like overdone. So now it's time for my hair, and I think I want to do like a flip under action, you know what I mean? So like I'm gonna go straighten this out, and then I will show you guys the part where I like flip it under with a curling iron. So I'm gonna go straighten my hair and I'll be right back. Okay, hair is all straightened out. It's getting so long, I like can't believe it. But all I'm gonna do with the curling iron is I'm just gonna like flip it under. I'm going for like those Rachel Green vibes, you know what I'm saying? Before I do that, my curling iron heats up, I am gonna put on this new perfume I got. It is the Juliet Has a Gun Vanilla Vibes, and I just got a small one to try it out, but I'm obsessed with this perfume. I can't even like describe to you how it smells. It just smells like summer and the beach, and it's just like so good. It's fresh, but like it has coconut smells and like sandalwood at the same time, and like little hints of vanilla. It's like amazing. So I'm gonna take this in my purse with me. It smells so good. Okay, so my curling iron should be pretty good now, and what I'm gonna do is just use the clamp to like curl under. So kind of just like, okay, let me practice really quick. Okay, so kind of like this, and just like roll and let go. And you see how it gives like that really defined like swoop? That's what I'm going for. So I'm just gonna do this to my ends. Amazing. So like I'm smoothing with the clamp side up, smoothing down, and then as I get to the bottom, just like curling it under, and then letting go of the clamp. That one didn't do it. Okay. As I'm like explaining it, that's the one that doesn't work, of course. Oh, we love to see it. And then while we're getting up more towards the face, I am going like higher and higher with it. So it's more like a face framing type of thing. Alright, and then these are the important ones. So cute. And then I'll just like mess it up a little. And just really simple, but that's kind of what I'm going for. So I'm just going to speed through this side. Aw.
Mike?
Yeah, it's so cute. I would take those wristbands off.
Oh yeah.
And put on a watch. Okay, I love it. I'll be right back. I have to go grab some hairspray. Alright, so this is the Davines finishing spray, I think. Dry texturizer. And it kind of works like a hairspray and like a texture spray. So I'm just gonna run this through. It smells amazing. It actually complements the perfume really well. Alright, and that's the hair. So I think it's cute too if you like tuck one ear behind and then just like, there we go. For earrings, I'm going to wear these right here. They're just like little, I don't know what they are, but they're really cute. So I'm going to put these on. See, they're just a little fancier. There we go. I'm not going to do a necklace, but I do need to put on my rings. I'm going to wear this one by Kendra Scott. And then I need to put on my wedding ring. It's in the bathroom. So yeah, guys, that pretty much completes this video. I will show you guys my completed outfit in the next clip, but that's going to be it. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed getting ready with me today. Please stay safe out there. If you have any events to go to, make sure you bring your mask, all that, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye! I'm worried I ain't doing too well. I'm worried, but I did it to myself, yeah. I'm worried that you don't need me. I'm worried that you're gonna leave me. I'm worried that it won't work out, yeah. I'm worried that I'll never make it out, yeah. Don't worry, baby, don't worry. Go and get some sleep while you always in a hurry.